Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make another beautiful yet easy tea light candle holder for Diwali decoration. For this I am taking a plain glass tea light holder which I have purchased from T-Mart. Here I am taking some kundan glue and 3D glass liner. First of all, I will stick kundan on it where I want to make some design by applying glue with the help of matchstick. I'm making simple flower design on it. You can make any design of your choice. Now I will outline these flowers with 3D glass liner. And complete it by making some easy mehndi like design on it and will leave it to dry. After completely drying, it's ready to use for decorating tea light candles or diyas in it. Believe me guys, it just takes 15 to 20 minutes to make this. How I'm using it in decoration, I will show you in next video. That's it for now. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such beautiful, easy and useful DIY. Thanks for watching and wishing you all very happy until next video. Take care and bye bye.